Hello everyone. What I'm going to explain is backed up by the mechanics working in this shop. So don't worry, this can be fixed. If the message SRVD disabled showed up, first take a deep breath. Your car hasn't gone crazy, and it's not about to explode. What the system is basically telling you is, hey, my rear sensors aren't working properly, so I'm shutting down to avoid giving false info. It's not dangerous, but it does mean that some assistance features, like blind spot detection or rear cross traffic alert, are temporarily turned off. Now, the most common cause, according to mechanics, is a physical issue with the rear radar sensors. Sometimes a minor bump, strong vibrations, or even a bad installation after a repair can misalign them. When that happens, the car gets nervous and triggers the SRVD disabled message. The good news is that most of the time, you just need to adjust the sensor's position or make sure it's not loose. And that's it. Following that, another frequent culprit is the electrical connectors behind the bumper. Over time, moisture or dirt can prevent the wires from transmitting signals properly. Many mechanics here report that simply cleaning the connectors and plugging them back in made the message disappear like magic. It's amazing how something so simple can fix what seems like a big problem. But don't forget the car's battery. If the voltage drops slightly or the battery is old, the electronic modules can get confused and the SRVD system may temporarily turn off. Some mechanics have seen cases where just charging or replacing the battery made the message vanish without touching anything else. Now, if all the physical parts look fine, the next suspect is software or module recalibration. Sometimes the sensors work perfectly, but the system gets out of sync and throws the error. Tools like VXDiag, SSM3, or a compatible scanner can clear the codes and recalibrate the sensors so the SRVD comes back to life. After this, the message usually disappears for good. One thing few people realize: the message can also appear due to external conditions, like heavy rain, snow, or high humidity, even if there's no real fault. The module gets sensitive and prefers to warn you rather than take a risk. After driving for a few minutes, the error often goes away on its own.